lovely people, karibuni to another vlog. So today is Saturday, and today we don't have a help, so I'm the one doing everything because I'm the youngest. So I want to like prepare breakfast, like chai and some pancakes, but so my brother doesn't take sugar, so like you gawanisha everything uji yake, and I was like, yeah, but it's kind of like fulfilling, like taking care of him. It's not like a burden. Yeah, and then and then we will cook chapati jioni, and then what else? My brother said he'll help with a challenge, and Instagram challenge. So yeah, so guys, let me show you something. Every time I see Naenda, my brother will wake up and be like, 20. It's so funny. Let me show you. Mom, nimeenda. Scooby. Twende walk.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys, so today is on Sunday and I have not gone to church, and I have a valid reason. So I haven't gone to church for like 3 weeks. So the first week I went to church, and then the pastor prayed for me. He thought that I'm coming back home, coming back to Makindu, and he prayed for me to go back. Kumbe I was here to stay here for like four weeks. So that's why I haven't gone to church. Also, yeah, so today is now real day because I'm alone. Yeah, so let me show you how I do reels for Instagram. Basically write everything. These are for those direct reels, like you get the sound from IG, so you just write the reels. This idea I've come up with it right now. So yeah, I'm writing the reels, record the reels, and then post them directly on Instagram. But before I used to like download the reels on my laptop, and then I can do them without the sound, and then like merge the sound on Instagram, edit. Yeah, so yeah, that's where I am. So let's do one reel. So guys, for my next content, I need a payphone and a tissue. And let me show you where I'm here, and my tripod over there can't like fit over here. So yeah.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
I wanna like water the plants. Tulipanda dania like 4 weeks ago na hazijamea, so but the rain has not been consistent, so I wanna water them. Zime sprout lakini hazijamea. So yeah, that's what I wanna do. So you can see like this one has sprouted. This is a dania. This one is like they have sprouted but they have not, hazijatokea. So like ziko hapa lakini sijui wapi.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, let me turn. So we are going to the inaitwaje, posho mill, because yesterday we found the posho mill closed. Kumbe huwa inafunguliwa jioni and I did not know. So yeah, we are going there. Yeah.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Supper made by me. Rain is coming.